L'esito del referendum britannico dell'anno passato e le spinte disgregatrici che attraversano il continente hanno...
He will take something away from me and I will be the poorer and he will profit from it. Put that on the agenda in an inspiring way. An environment that can no longer sustain the way we live today. Communicate with others who don't have our views.